Okay, you could laugh if you like. But my swamp cooler, brand new, put it in last summer. But because it is so humid, it doesn't do anything. I just looked at the thermostat. It's 80 degrees in my living room. So what we have here is a box fan, $15. Copper wiring, $15. Tubing, $1.28. And inside my ice chest, I already had it, is a small pump for a fountain. $19.98. And then a little bit, I'll check the temperature and let you know how it is gonna work. But cold air, oh yeah, cold air, cold water going through the copper tubing, little zippy zips.